about to unveil, these guys are getting ready to unveil, a big, shall I say, commissioned piece of art?
Yeah.
Commissioned piece of art that Terry and Doug commissioned. Don Huber, who's hiding back there. Don, step forward. Give us a little wave here. Don, you. Right here. Terry, come up here a little bit. There. Now get down. Get out of here. Terry, tell me a little bit about that. Tell me a little bit about this piece of art, okay?
Well, the Cabin Club, as you know, Eagles were founded 51 years ago this year in Liverpool at the Cabin Club.
At the Cabin Club, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
That's how you decided to name this place, Cabin
Yeah,
Club.
because I'm a huge Beatles fanatic, and
Right?
best friend Don here, he just really enjoyed the idea.
Start on this side.
And over about 3 bottles of wine one night, he started coming up with crazy ideas, and away we went. So,
Awesome.
you're
Awesome.
about to see brilliant here shortly.
Shall we just unveil? Don, did you have anything to say about this piece of art?
Absolutely.
All right, what do you say we unveil it? Absolutely. What do you say unveil this thing? Check it out.
I've been waiting for this my whole life.
Each of these pictures represents a certain Beatles song.
I like that one a lot. I do that.
Do you know what the Strawberry Fields Forever? Rocky Raccoon.
Yeah. Model's, she's from Toledo area. The girl in Golden Slumber, she's from Delta. That was my wife. I covered her with flowers.